Yo, guess what, YouTube? It's me again, back to you with a third drop today. I'm really excited about this Kyrie PE exclusive collab from Kyrie. Like again, I always say, welcome my new subscribers, continued subscribers. Thank you for supporting your boy E-Money. And again, I repeat, check out the Bring the Pain podcast, all episodes 1 through 5. And we will be back on tomorrow before the fight kicks off. If you like this content I'm giving you, hit that thumbs up. We're gonna like to get this video to 50 likes if we can, and like I said, we're striving to hit that 1,300 before the end of this year. Now let's jump right into it. I'm at my little spot. I'm out and about. Got a little bit of overcast on these, a size 11 and a half. Boy, these junks run snug. I guess if I played ball, I would go true to size, but just for every day, you gotta try these on and make sure you get the right size. And this Kyrie 5, I would highly recommend. Fisher colorway, multicolor. Suggested retail price, 130 of them things, as you can see. And these are a quick strike, so you won't get no deal on these. You got that stamp there, regular paper, and bows. Check it out. These Kyrie 5 Taco PE collab with Travis Taco Bennett, a local, LA-based rapper, entrepreneur, DJ, all of that good stuff. He did a collab with Kyrie because just like Kyrie, he just said, just be you. There are no limits. I mean, the photos will not do any service to this shoe. You got to see it in person. You know, I already went over those shoes. I ain't gonna go into all the detail again about every little nook and cranny of this shoe. It's kind of got this forest look detail, kind of like you out in the land. Very dope. On the bottom of this shoe, as you can see, established in 1992. Of course, that's his date of birth. Y'all got all this orange. You got the flight trap for your knockdown with your fly wire, black laces. Making do a lace swap, go some black and orange right there. Kyrie signature. Nice little leather here with Kyrie Irving in that as well. Air Zoom Turbo in the forefoot. Like I said in my previous Kyrie video, much more comfortable than the previous editions. The dopeness of the check, the ginormous oversized check in this shoe, outlined with the orange, very dope. This one doesn't have the all-seeing eye. You got the 66 with the basketball and the Roman numeral 5. As you can see, the stitching is dope. A1 on the shoe. Coming around on this side, Azuri. That's the actual date of his little one. The other shoe got all the stuff by his parents and things of that nature. Like I said, I've been into that before. Pretty much, you got all of this forestry stuff on the medial side. Inside the shoe, you can see it's very dope. It got taco. So it's always dope when these collabs come out and they really executed this shoe very well. I mean, even for a quick strike, 130 is not too bad for this shoe. So let's do one more once around. Let me know what you think. No look pass, very dope shoe. On the litty lit meter, I gotta go with this. This shoe is pretty dope. I give it a 4.8 out of 5. 4.8 out of 5. You let me know what you think. Like I said, don't forget to hit that notification bell. Check out the Bring the Pain podcast. Leave a comment, whether it's good, bad. We can chop it up. We can agree to disagree. Thank you for taking the time out to watch my video. I know y'all busy on the weekend, so go check out those Orlando 10. Let me know if you're gonna cop those or not. The quality on shoes is A1, but I'm pretty sure everybody is probably waiting on the Concords. And thank goodness here they're doing the sweepstakes and good all stuff like that. I feel a lot more relieved. But with that being said, it's your boy E-Money Shoes, and I'm out. Peace.